Thought I'd do a little short video in the middle of the print, just so I can see the cubic infill. Haven't been using that for a while. I've been using lightning, which puts very little infill in the middle. But this is a rather over-engineered toothbrush holder, electric toothbrush. My daughter and her 2 sons, so 3 toothbrushes. And this will be a bracket to go on the wall to hold all 3 of them. And I don't trust PLA to be very strong, so I'm using the cubic infill to give it a bit more strength. I've increased the number of walls to 6 instead of 3. I'm making it all a bit heavy and thick. And this pink, which I don't expect my grandsons will appreciate at all. Well, that's it, finished. 13 hours, 6 minutes. Just hope I got the dimensions right. The electric toothbrushes have got buttons on the front, so those little gaps are to make sure we don't accidentally press the button when you put the toothbrush in the bracket. Just a quick check to make sure the toothbrushes do fit. I'm actually leaving it to my daughter to position it in her bathroom wherever she wants it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.